Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can increase your credit score while holiday shopping. And with this credit hack, you can get credit lines without a hard pull to your credit. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information no matter where you are in your credit journey. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like that information. Also, I don't do any more credit consultations, but I am giving a webinar where I'll be live and you guys can ask me your credit questions. With this webinar, I'm having a Black Friday sale where you're going to get a deeply discounted price for the webinar. I will be teaching you these credit hacks and showing you how to increase your credit score, challenge negative items off your credit report, and improve your overall credit. So if you're interested in that, make sure you hit the link in the pinned comment section. And if you can't find that, the description area, I always put the links to my website. So let's jump into this video. With this video, I'm going to show you guys what's called the shopping cart trick. And with this credit hack, you can get credit card approvals with a soft pull. So you don't result in a hard pull for this application of this credit card. They automatically approve you. Now, in order to make this work, you have to sign up for two websites. That is Factor Trust and Opt Out Prescreen. So I'm going to leave a link in the pinned comment section on a step-by-step tutorial on how you will sign up for those two websites. You need to do that in order to make this hack work for you. Also, make sure when you are on these websites, you turn off your blocker, which is your pop-up blocker, and you want to receive those pop-ups to get that approval. So let's go through this step by step. And one of these we're going to do is Overstock. Well, with Overstock, because they have furniture items, you can get a larger line of credit with Overstock. And also, they are Community Bank. So with Community, they're the ones that has this shopping cart trick with their finance banks and retailers that they work with. So with this shopping cart trick, you need to put at least $250 worth of merchandise in your cart. Now, you don't have to buy it. You just go to the checkout. And once you do that, it will show you a pop-up if you're pre-approved. So with that pop-up, if you are qualified, you're going to get that card with a soft pull. Now, with this also being with Community Bank, you can get larger lines of credit really quickly because they do automatic increases many times. Also, if you choose to go for a credit line increase in the system, there's a soft pull, but you don't want to call over the phone if you already have a Community credit card because they would result in a hard pull for that increase. But you can build larger credit lines quickly with this hack. Now, everyone has followed this channel. Understand, I always teach you guys, if you have a 700 credit score and below, by adding these positive lines of credit, you can increase your credit score even with negative items. Overstock can approve you with Community Bank with credit scores as low as 580. So this could be a great credit builder card. Now with the 580 credit score or low credit scores, don't expect from the rip $10,000. But the better you improve your credit, this can help you and increase your credit score on average of 40 to 50 points if you're under a 700 credit score. Now with Community Bank, they're going to pull from either Equifax or Experian. So make sure you check your credit score with those two credit bureaus. And if you had anything recently that hits your credit report, if you don't get this pop-up, I'll just wait 90 days and try it again. Well, let's go through this and show you how you can get this pop-up. Now, what you want to do is put things in your shopping cart. And like I said, you want to go over $250. Now, I go really high and try to find a large product so you don't have to add multiple things to your shopping cart. So by doing that strategy, with a large item, you're way above that $250 mark. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select this couch to put in my shopping cart. So as you go through the process, you want to make sure, like I said, that you have signed up with the two websites that I mentioned because it's important in order to be able to receive this pop-up. And you want to make sure you follow the steps in my tutorial because your information needs to be exact every time that you pull this trick. So when you are putting this product in your cart, you want to be sure you have well over $250 worth of product in your cart for this pop-up to work for you. Make sure that you sign up for the two websites that I mentioned because you want to go through the motions like you're buying this product, but you're just trying to get the pop-up. Now, it's very important that you put in your information when you're filling out for the checkout exactly what you used for the websites Opt-out, Prescreen, and Factor Trust. With Opt-out, Prescreen, you want to opt in. So I show you that in the tutorial and you would get this pop-up and it will let you know that you are approved for the store card. Now, this is not a credit card where you can rent a card with a Visa or a Master logo. This is a store card that you will only be able to use at Overstock. But what it will do is increase your credit score if you're a person with a 700 and below credit score because you're going to add unsecured lines of credit that will help you decrease your utilization. Now, if you're a person above that and you have a lot of utilization because you have some cards close to being maxed out, and when I'm saying close to, at least on that card below 70%. This can also help your credit score. But keep in mind, when you add this, unlike other credit cards, when you apply, it's not going to result in a hard pull if you get this pop-up, okay? You'll be approved for that card with a soft pull, and it would help you increase your credit score. You don't want to use this with a lot of utilization. If you use this card, just put a little bit of items according to whatever credit line you'll be approved of. Don't use more than 10% on this card while you shop. Now, one of the easiest pop-ups to get with Community is Victoria's Secret. Now, the great thing with Victoria's Secret, they do offer a MasterCard version of their card, meaning with their version of their MasterCard, you can use it anywhere. You can rent a hotel room, or you can go to a restaurant and use that card. So with this, what you want to do is the same thing. You want to find $250 worth of items to put in your cart. Now, Victoria's Secret also have a regular store card. So if you don't get approved for the MasterCard version, don't feel bad. You will just get approved for the store card and you can work your way up. But once you find the product, what I do, I put a number of items in my bag because you have to have over that $250 mark. Make sure you fill in your information just like you did at those other websites, and you should get this pop-up if it is registering your information with a soft pull approval, you guys, with no hard inquiry. So with this Victoria's Secret card, many people can get this pop-up, so you can try it out. And if you're under that $750 700 credit score, you guys, then you can increase your credit. But here's the thing. Make sure you only do these one at a time. So let one card report and then add the other card. So if you get this pop-up, don't take it now. If I was you, if you're doing both pop-ups and you get the Victoria's Secret and you're getting the MasterCard instead of the store card, go ahead and take this one first. Okay, if you're getting the MasterCard version, because you can use it anywhere, and then wait 30 days. See your score increase, and then you can go for the overstock. So try both of them to see if you can get the pop-up. Now, if you have any questions, make sure you reach me at my website. Like I said, you guys, if you want more tricks and hacks, I'm having this seminar. Make sure you join me. Black Friday sale to purchase and get in for my webinar, you guys. And you can ask me your personal questions. Let's work on your credit together. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.